So most people don't know this, but there's a way that AI can be used when it comes to building up a one person, one product online business that could potentially earn you an extra source of income. And in today's video, what I want to do is break down all of the steps that goes into it. As you guys can see over here, I was actually able to build this online store with the help of AI, and the niche that I selected was electronics and gadgets. The process to being able to set all of this up is pretty straightforward. All you got to do is just follow the steps. It takes about 5 minutes. If you're a returning viewer of my channel, you would already know exactly how all of this works. But the main thing that I want to focus on in today's video is everything that goes into turning the AI online store into a one product store, as well as what you can do when it comes to using AI to help you get real life customers onto your website so that they can bring out their credit card and buy the item that you're selling. And just for the record, I do need to say that this video is not financial advice. The only reason why I'm making it is because I wish I had a video like this when I first got started. Building up electronic and gadget stores is the thing that enabled me to quit my 9-to-5 job. And if I had tools like what we have now, things would have been so much more easier. So right here, as you can see, this is the store that it was able to build me. If I just click on view your store, it's going to take me over to the actual product page, and we can see that it's loaded the store with all of these different winning products. And this isn't necessarily a bad thing. Having multiple different products from one niche on one site can definitely bring you multiple different streams of income from a single brand. But of course, this video is targeted for those of you that just want to have one product and maybe a couple different traffic sources. So the way that I'm going to find the winning product that I'm going to center the store around is going to be with AutoDS. So what I'm going to do from here is come over to hand-picked products. And because AutoDS works with thousands and thousands of different dropshippers all around the world, they are able to know what's performing well, what's not performing well. So it just makes things a little bit more easier. Because if I just come over here and click on electronics and gadgets, and I've selected that I want to ship mainly to the UK. So what I'm going to do is just scroll down and see if there's anything that stands out to me. Okay, we've got this one over here. Let me just click into it. Okay, so as we can see, this is a retro handheld video game console. According to AutoDS, it's doing quite well. The profit is decent, $54. We can also see the engagement score is around 60, which is really high. And we can see the target audience as well, and some other information that we might want to know when it comes to being able to sell it. So this is the one that I'm going to focus on in today's video. I'm going to center the gadget electronic store that I built around this one product. And to do this isn't difficult at all, because as you can see, my store is already connected to my AutoDS account. This is going to happen automatically once you go through the steps of building your store with the AI store builder. So what I'm going to do is just come over here to the marketplace. I'm going to type in the keyword of the product. So as we can see, there's all of these different options, but I'm just going to go with a random one in today's video. Let's go with this one over here. Okay, perfect. So we can see the reviews. We can see all of the different colors that are available, and we can see the item cost as well. So if you're following along with what I'm doing, all you need to do is just click on import draft. And it's going to be from here that you can make any changes that you need to make. So I'm just going to optimize the title. So let's just make it sound a little bit more sellable, a little bit more creative, and then click on this button. Okay, there we go. So the title has been updated. Let me just take a look at the variants. Okay, that looks okay. The images also look okay as well. So what I'm going to do from here is just click on save and import. Okay, there we go. So the product has now been listed for sale on this AI built site. But the use of AI doesn't end there. There's a number of different ways that we can use it. So far, we've used it to build out the website. We've also used it to list the product with the help of AutoDS. But another way that you can use it is when it comes to updating the logo on your store. So since this website is all about selling this retro handheld game console, I'm going to update the logo to reflect that. So what I'm going to do is use the Canva AI image maker. As you can see, I've got this prompt that says create an image or a logo for an online store selling a retro handheld Game Boy. Ensure that it's animated with text that says retro game, and also ensure that it's purple color. I'm trying to keep it simple for you guys just so that you can get the point. But what I'm going to do now is just click on submit, and there we go. It's now come back with these different options that I can choose from. And if I wanted it to make some more logos, I'm going to be able to go through that process again. The one I'm going to go with for the sake of this video, let's just open this one up. Okay, this one looks decent. I'm just going to click on boost resolution so that we can get a better look. Okay, there we go. So I'm just going to click on open in editor and see if there's anything I need to change. No, for the most part, it looks okay. Of course, if I wanted to, maybe change this text over here, but I'm just going to leave it for now because I'm just using this one as an example. So what I'm going to do is remove the background and I'm just going to click on download just like this. And to update the logo on the actual store, what I'm going to do is go onto my Shopify account, click on customize just like this. Then what I'm going to do is click on the header. I'm going to click on theme settings, and this is where you're going to be able to change the logo as well as the fav icon image. And just like that, the logo has now been updated. And when it comes to removing all of these different products, the way that you can do that, if you're looking to turn it into a one product store, is just to go back to your Shopify account, click on products, and it's going to be in here that you can make any changes that you need to. And just like that, the site has now turned into a one product store where only this item is available for people to buy. And this is where the video gets really interesting, because what I want to do now is move on to the traffic side of things and how you can generate traffic, send it to stores just like this, where you're focused on selling 1, 2, maybe 3 different products, or even if you wanted to keep it as a multi-product store as well, the method that I'm going to show you is also going to work. And by the way, guys, if you wanted a little bit more information on some other things you need to do in a step-by-step format on the back end of your AI built store, I've got a completely free course. Top link in the description down below. But let's move on with generating traffic, which is going to come in the form of running Facebook ads. And I know right now most of you are probably thinking, Sam, I don't have a big budget. I don't have a lot of money to spend. And I totally hear exactly where you're coming from. There's multiple different ways to generate traffic. You can do it using organic methods. You don't have to pay, but if you did have a small budget, even if it's around $5, $10 per day for you to test a product that you found, it might be worth doing. And the reason why I say that is because if we just go over to the Facebook ad library, you can find it by typing this search term into Google and then clicking on this one. The reason why this is such a underrated website is because you can basically see the ads that people are running right now. So what I'm going to do is change this to the United States. I'm going to change this to all ads, and I'm just going to simply type in the keyword or the model number for the game console that I'm looking to sell, which is going to be R36S. So that's what it's called. And if we just scroll down over here, we can see all of these different sites that are currently running Facebook ads right now, and all of them are active. For example, there's this site over here. If I just click on learn more, this site has done something really interesting because they branded their entire website around this one handheld game console. And if I just click into similar web, we can also see that they're getting a ridiculous amount of traffic every month, around 155,000 monthly visits on average. So they must be making, some money, and they're doing this mainly through this Facebook ad that they're currently running. So again, you're going to be able to click into the ad, see exactly what it looks like, how you can replicate it. If you wanted to buy the item yourself, you could do that. But what you could also do is generate an AI video where you don't even need to buy the product, and you're essentially going to be able to make as many different video ads that you want, where you don't need to use your voice, you don't need to show your face. And I'm going to show you exactly how this works. And it's going to be done with this tool over here called InVideo AI. Now, InVideo is a very unique tool. I've not really come across anything else like it. Again, it's going to be able to generate a unique UGC style Facebook ad video, all from a prompt. So I'm going to leave a link to them so that you can sign up for a free account in my description. You may need to pay something when it comes to upgrading, but nevertheless, all the information is going to be in the description down below. So as you can see over here, I've just logged into my InVideo account. And there's going to be certain things that you need to do once you get to this point. One of them is going to be to clone the product that you want to send traffic to. So if I just come over here to AI Twins, literally all you got to do is upload the image of the product that you're working on. In this case, it's going to be this purple handheld game console. And you just need to copy and paste all the information from the product page the supplier page, as much information about it into this section over here, and then simply click on create. And then from there, it's going to take a few minutes for it to add it to your database. And once you have added it to your database, this is where you're going to begin the process of being able to make the UGC style videos. So I'm just going to enter this prompt. This is a prompt that I got from ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you exactly how I got it in a moment. But as you can see, I've just entered this prompt. I've selected the product that I'm working on. From there, in video is going to take you to a page that looks similar to this, where it's going to ask you a couple different questions so that it can make the best video possible. So I'm going to leave it on hardcore retro gamers. I'm going to say that I want it to be around 30 seconds maximum. And I'm also going to change it to an Instagram reel. And I'm going to leave it on ultra so that it can use the best quality AI possible. And it's going to take maybe 5-10 minutes for it to complete. But as soon as it's done, I'm going to be back ASAP. Okay, guys, I'm back. And as we can see, it's been able to make the Facebook ad that I'm going to be able to run right now if I wanted to. So I believe it's done a good job. I haven't checked it yet. We're going to watch it together. But just to kind of give you a quick skim through, this is what it looks like. But you know what? Let me not waste no more time. Let me just play it right now so that you guys know the quality of the video that you're able to make if you want to do the exact same thing. Let's go.
Over 10,000 classic retro games in one console. The R36S gives you a crisp 3.5-inch HD screen, smooth controls, and up to 8 hours of battery life. Lightweight and pocket size, take your favorite classics anywhere. The R36S, portable, powerful, retro.
So guys, I'm sure that we're all blown away at the fact that it was able to do that from a simple image of the product and the description of it. I didn't need to hire anyone. I didn't need to buy the product, ship it to my house, spend hours, trying to make content around it. I was able to enter a simple prompt, and InVideo was able to take care of the rest. And the good thing about this is that if I wanted to use this piece of content, to post on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook as an organic piece of content, you can definitely do that. But if I also wanted to, run it as a Facebook ad, Instagram ad, I've also got that option as well. And for those of you right now that are wondering about, Sam, I don't even know exactly how to run a Facebook ad. I don't know how to set one up. I don't know, what demographic to pick, what budget to pick, what interest to pick. I don't really know exactly where to begin. Well, a lot of us start in that exact same position. But what I've done is I've created this Facebook ad generator just to kind of make it a little bit easy for any beginner out there. And what it's going to do, you can find it down below, by the way, for completely free. It's going to take you through 7 different questions. And at the end of it, it's going to give you a custom prompt that you can now paste into your favorite AI tool, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, whatever it is. And then it's going to give you all of the necessary steps that you need to follow when it comes to setting up your first official ad campaign. So let's go through it together quickly, just so that you have an idea as to how it works and the different questions that it's going to ask you. So question 1 is, what type of product are you selling? In this case, it's going to be a physical product. So I'm going to select it like this. Question 2 is, what title best describes your product? I'm just going to paste the title in there just like that. What is your product price? I aim to sell it for around, let's say $90. So I'm just going to enter that. On average, how much profit do you make? It's going to be around $45. Let's put $40. What is your available weekly ad budget? So in my position, I would say around $300 when it comes to testing this out. Which platform do you want to run ads on? I'm going to go with Instagram in this case. Which countries or regions do you want to target? So I'm going to mainly target the United Kingdom. Let's go with that. Click on submit. And there we go. I've now got this custom prompt that I'm going to be able to copy just like that. And then head over to ChatGPT. In this case, again, you can use any one that you want, but we're just going to paste it in there like that and see exactly what it comes back with. And literally just like that, as you can see, it's now coming back with everything I need to know, from the targeting, the ad set, each 1, 2, 3, the suggested ad copy, how I should do it, the creative ideas, just everything that I need to know when it comes to being able to launch this Facebook ad in the most profitable way possible. So I'd highly recommend that you check out this Facebook ad generator in the description down below. And from this point, it's just going to be a case of me going on to the ad manager, connecting it to my newly built store, Once I've done that, I'm going to be able to log into my account and then follow all of the steps that ChatGPT gave me when it comes to setting up my first official ad campaign so that I can start driving traffic to it. But for the most part, those are the main things that I wanted to touch on in today's video. How you can build an online store, turn it into a one product store, how you can find a winning product with the help of a tool like AutoDS, and just everything that goes into utilizing artificial intelligence in the best way possible. If you've enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know once a new video has been released. And don't forget that when it comes to building stores like this, you don't need to run Facebook ads if you don't want to. You can start off with organic traffic that could be automated. And in that free course that you can find down below, that's where I break down all of the steps as to how you can set up automation, start driving traffic to the different products that you want to sell on the internet. It's already helped out thousands of different students, and I'm sure you're going to be able to benefit from it as well. Just check it out in the link down below for completely free. And if you also wanted to watch a recent YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I break down some of the best AI side hustles in the times that we're living in, you're going to be able to watch that by clicking the link right there. Check that out. Again, that's something that's also helped out so many people, and I'm sure you're going to get a lot of value out of it. But other than that, guys, as always, I'm going to catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.